Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Located in the sought-after residential community of Waltham, this beautiful split-level residence features a main dwelling and two self-contained apartments, ideal for an extended family or as an income earner. The 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom main section features a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, powder rooms, kitchen, living, dining room, TV room, gym, and helper's quarters. The apartments consist of a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, both with helpers' quarters and independent entrances. Don't miss this opportunity. The land area of this house is approximately 14,865 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.